Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I have the beautiful Mykie here. This is Glam and Gore. She glams, she gores. She's a rarity on the internet. There isn't a lot of you. There's a lot of me, not a lot of her.
That's not true.
She has a fascinating channel. She does special effects makeup as well as beauty makeup. And I don't know, I'm always intrigued by your videos. Like super intrigued. Today's video on my channel, I bought a bunch of makeup from Hot Topic. She's a lover, and I haven't really tried out any of their makeup yet, but they have really cool stuff. I'm really excited about this specific palette. Lisa Frank makeup. Hi!
It's nostalgia in makeup.
We're gonna put her special effects makeup art to the test. Actually, she knows what she's doing. She's turning me into an alien.
Yes.
I'm so scared and happy at the same time. I don't know what to do.
You should just be scared.
Okay, great. Great. She's like, I want to make sure your skin's going to survive it. I'm like, what does that mean?
Her skin is so nice in person.
You're so sweet.
It's like anyone who's ever said that there's like a filter on that shit, no.
I actually don't use beauty filters either.
I believe it.
I don't.
But no one should claim that you do.
Right,
like,
right.
I'm a foot from it. I'm not even a foot from it.
She sees things. You see my mustache too.
I see no mustache. I can't wait to see what you think at the end of it, because I don't think you're going to be happy, but...
I'll try it. Be sure and subscribe to the channel before you leave. Subscribe!
Lovely voice.
I know. I don't know why I didn't take up singing, but...
Can I make that my ringtone?
Absolutely. So yeah, I guess we'll jump right into... Okay, so one thing I just couldn't personally find on HotTopic.com, it was foundation and concealer, which I'm not shocked. No, I couldn't find any. But she makes me look real tan.
And I have a tan right now. We had trouble exposing for the both of us. I think I'm a minimalist at heart.
You are.
How do you know?
I can tell. I can come to your desk and I know you're a minimalist.
Oh, because it's just like...
Yes, it's just like essentials, and mine literally has everything under the sun.
Yes, I'm putting shape tape all over my face.
I'm just putting NARS all over my face.
My neck is a lot of colors.
That's right, girl. Okay, I'm gonna try out Lisa Frank, which is so cute. Did you love Lisa Frank or not?
Yes.
Okay. For
Ever?
Trapper Keepers?
No.
Okay, it's like the big folder that zips, and then you open it, it has the stickers and all the papers and folders inside. It's like a big binder. A Trapper Keeper.
What kind of binder?
They were called Trapper Keepers.
Yeah, like
Oh,
that.
yeah. I had those.
Like mega. Well, Lisa Frank always made Trapper Keepers.
Did she?
So I don't hate it. And it's nice and matte, so it's actually a contour. So, I mean, okay, Lisa Frank, I see you.
I want to try that after you, because I'm curious if it would be too dark on me or not.
I'm not gonna lie, I would like to see a Lisa Frank eyeshadow palette.
Oh, yeah. Why
Hot
would
Topic,
they not?
where's that at?
And they put out a bronzer.
You're like, where's the eyeshadow?
It doesn't make sense. The worst is when you have a pimple right where you need to contour, because then it's impossible to cover it.
The bronzer actually, like, looks pretty good on me.
It does look really nice. It's not as cool as it looks in the pot.
Yeah, I know. It kind of warmed up, especially on my temples. So I found a pretty blush, which I'm going to try out by J Katz. This is sold at Hot Topic.
Little kitty. Oh, it's got a cat in it. I love the kitties. Laura's a cat person, as you know.
And she's a puppy lover.
I'm a dog person.
Oh, this is so pigmented.
Oh, wow. Have fun.
We gotta be careful with her. The blush is very pink. Oh my gosh, it's actually gorgeous.
Ooh.
Super shimmery though, so if you had a lot of texture, I'd be very careful
But
with
shimmer is really pretty in a blush.
80 pounds too much blush on this cheek. I swear I'm a beauty guru. Ripley knew I was a cat person as soon as I walked in.
She's kind of like a cat herself, though.
She is, I see that.
She'll walk on the backs of couches and...
Oh, that's very cat-like.
Yeah. She'll hit things off of places just to spite me.
Excuse me.
She's a cat.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
I just did a video in the early 2000s, and I was thinking about how... Did you do this back in, like, 2004 or 5? In order to make yourself tan, you just covered your face in bronzer?
Absolutely.
What a weird
and one
thing.
of my specifics, I like a shimmery bronzer too, not a matte.
All over your face?
Yeah.
No! It's not blending out on me as well as it
I
blended
had to
out
put some matte powder on top of it.
okay.
So tell me how you got your, like, what made you get into special effects makeup? Did you always just love it in general?
I was kind of a creepy kid.
Love
Surprise.
Shocking.
I know. I was the kind of kid that was watching The Exorcist by age 11 by myself. Yeah, I was just a creepy kid.
And you loved it naturally.
Well, and my birthday's the day after Halloween, so I got real into Halloween every year, which meant that I wanted to be creepy, not cute.
I love that. It's like your destiny with your birthday.
My destiny.
Did you go to school for special effects, or do you just know how to do this stuff?
No, I'm self-taught.
No
Well,
way!
I mean, I learned things through jobs that I took, too.
I'm taking this bronzer, by the way, guys, and just using it as a transition because Marvel doesn't have a transition, okay? I'm really debating what color I should use. They've given me a lot of really beautiful colors, so I feel like if I put gold on, my audience will slap me. All this fun, and I'm like, I'll go with the gold.
Can I pick for you?
Yes, you can.
The purple and the blue.
All right, I'm doing it.
You're doing good.
Not too bad,
Those
huh?
look pretty pigmented.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed.
I want to try this palette.
That one looks so pretty.
Interstellar. It looks very pretty.
It looks cotton candy. I'm not mad at it. I'll tell you that.
Tell me what to do.
Ooh. I want this and this.
So purple and blue?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Neutral.
These are all shimmery.
So you're going to have to do, see, these are two, so except for I had one matte, but I had to use Lisa Frank.
Where did you learn how to do makeup, Missy?
I'm a self-taught girl.
Nice.
I just loved it so much. I even found a Rockin' Glitz eyeliner, which I was surprised but excited about.
Oh,
On there, so I'm gonna test her out
okay.
and see
Is
what
it
happens.
just black?
I don't know. It says
It's sparkly black?
shh. Oh, black shimmer. Oh boy. Okay, this eyeliner is fabulous. It's by J Cat, so you guys know. I mean, I don't know how it's gonna end like the shine on it, but we'll see.
So do you like horror movies?
I do. The only ones that scare me are the ones where things could really happen, like demons and exorcists, which
So
a lot of
The
people believe that could
Strangers?
happen. Scared me so bad to the point where I almost couldn't finish the movie.
Really? I like more realistic movies, but they don't scare me.
So for Halloween as a kid, I was a black cat for like 6 years in a
Of
row.
course you were.
Right? What's one of your favorite Halloween costumes?
My favorite costume is one that I turned into a tutorial eventually. The pre and post-op plastic surgery Barbie.
Love that one. That's one of my faves too.
you.
This year I was Beetlejuice.
That's right.
Oh yes, I saw you.
You looked fantastic.
Thank you. It was like my makeshift Beetlejuice, but I'm a really big fan of the Beetlejuice movie. And the gag is I didn't know that the Halloween party was at the Beetlejuice house.
Oh yeah.
You remember?
Oh yeah.
And I showed up and I was like, I just dressed up like
I
Beetlejuice.
swear I don't work here.
Yeah, exactly. I was like, this is so awkward because everybody's dressed up like a Beetlejuice character as the workers. And here I come storming in as Beetlejuice.
Oh, I remember because Beetlejuice, the Beetlejuice that was there, like hired to be the Beetlejuice, was so creepy.
And obnoxious, just like in the movie.
Yes.
So guys, I got these 2 lip glosses. One is Alien Heads from Blackheart. You're talking about the brand.
We have a theme going on.
Packaging's fascinating. And the other is Marvel Infinity. Glosses. So I'm not gonna lie, like this component is nice and it's like custom made because I make makeup too. So I'm like looking at this like, wow. Just have to put this blue on. Oh, honey. Oh, I'm doing it.
It's definitely blue.
I feel like I look dead.
Because purple's gonna totally tone that
This will tone it down so much, guys. Watch. Facial Shimmer by Rude. I don't know. I'm gonna try this thing out.
Is that like supposed to be like a highlighter?
It is.
Okay.
Okay, it's like really pretty.
That is very pretty. Okay, hot topic.
And look, it didn't shift around my other makeup either. Oh my gosh, this highlighter, honey, she's intense.
You're just putting it everywhere.
I think I paid like $2 for this highlighter.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I could listen to you talk all day.
Honestly, I'll read the back of a shampoo bottle to you.
Please do.
Wow, your eyes look like a galaxy.
People gonna yell at us for sharing eye things?
Probably.
Okay. All right. That took me a while.
It worked pretty good though, didn't it?
It's very smooth. I think it's already running out a little bit though.
Yeah, like does it have a lot of products in it?
Yeah, there's not a lot in
I
there.
had to bend it a few times on my hand to.
Like a baby's bottom. So was that good? That wasn't good, was it?
That was good. That was all right. I'm gonna give that one to you.
I want you to rate me.
Rate you on your. Can I give you a sentence?
Yeah, give me a sentence.
What are y'all doing tonight?
What are y'all doing tonight?
Good. It was so good. This wig is what's happening. So I bought me and Mykie wigs because I just felt like, which you're gonna put this wig on top of your wig.
Yeah, because it's glued down.
Yeah, she ain't coming off. So I bought us these wigs because I wanted us to be in the Hot Topic spirit. Don't really know what the Hot Topic spirit is, but I just figured a black 1980s mullet for some reason would be great. If you
beauty
just so
guru.
you know,
Right there.
I
Like
want
black hair.
I want a black lip with this. I'm sorry.
You know, you actually look really cute though. You kind of look like just like 80s cute.
As small as my head is, why does the wig actually fit my head okay?
Does it?
It kind of does. I swear to God, I will wear this out to a beauty event with you.
Will you?
I will. That's black. Oh, that's pigmented.
I'm surprised.
I'm shook that it's going on top of a gloss.
Yeah. You look ridiculous.
This is Vogue.
Very Vogue.
Vogue is
Yes,
shook. I
better
need a
be.
mole.
You just went for it. Did you put this on with your finger?
I did.
Okay.
It comes out super pink in the tube, the highlighter, but then whenever it got on my cheek, it turned to like just glow.
Yeah, I was scared when I saw how pink it is. You know what is rude?
Tell me.
That other highlights cost so much.
And then this one was like a couple bucks.
Yeah.
Tell me if I'm crazy. Elizabeth Taylor's hair.
Sorry.
Is that wrong? See, that's what I'm thinking of. That ain't right. I mean, do you see where I'm getting it though?
I see it. I'm going with the aliens.
I like the aliens.
Me too. Okay, so this is totally
Oh,
blue.
that's really blue actually.
That's blue.
Why is
Ooh, this is a pretty color.
Yeah.
I love this color.
Honestly, it's so pretty on you.
Take me to your leader.
That's like a pretty gloss to go on top that comes in the packet.
No, I kind of hate this one.
Okay.
I think my face is done. I just need some hair.
Lo and behold. Perfect. Perfect. Girl, yes. I'm in it. It looks so good on you. This wig was like made for us.
You remember those cushy balls? Cush balls?
Yes. Yes.
Like a cush ball.
All right, guys. So, we look good.
I don't think we've ever looked better.
Honestly, and I'm not gonna lie, this wig is really fun.
Are you gonna keep this? Are you gonna wear this some other time?
I feel like there will be a time that I need to wear this. Coachella next year, probably.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go to Mykie's channel, which will be linked down below, and watch her turn me into a scary little alien.
I feel so sassy in this.
I know, right? It makes you into a diva. You're like, oh!
Who needs coffee when you got this?
You're like,
Yeah.
I kind of wanted a Scene Kid wig. Scene Kids were very popular whenever I was growing up.
Me too.
But they don't really have like Scene Kid wigs.
Why not?
I don't know. I kind of wanted one, but this is what I ended up with. This is subscribe to our channels before you leave. Like our video if you like us. If you don't like us, like it anyways. Bye, guys.
Wait, teach me how to say bye in Alabama.
So change your Y into an I. Bye.
Bye.
There it is. She's teaching me how to say words. I'm teaching her how to not say words.
I want to get down the accent by the end of the day. That's my
Yes,
mission.
That's the goal.
I can't believe this wig. Ew.
Is it not like
So gross.
so ugly that it's funny?
I hate it.